Okay, today we're doing a patch and repair on this sink. It's going to be a sink restoration. The products I'm going to use for this sink restoration is first of all going to be the Bondo. If I can fill this hole in. Once I fill this hole in, I'm going to seal the hole with some of this mesh. This mesh mixed with the Bondo creates a nice sandable surface. So that way I can actually cover up all these scratches. I'm going to tape off the sink and then I'll spray it with my porcelain. Okay? Now we're going to cut some of the mesh. I want to cut a couple pieces to fit right into this here. Patch of these. Complete sink restoration.